Welcome back to Instables, everyone. So I'm going to go with you guys on SIGA, a major breakout that we had on Monday from Monkeypox news that we did mention in the Instables room. And then we also mentioned Reuters report on SIGA in pre-market on Friday. Over 50% on that breakout. Now, typically I go over the market on Sundays, but since we have a 3-day weekend, I'm going to go over the market with you guys tomorrow so that way we are prepared for the week. Now, before I jump into this, all I ask in return for all of this is you smash that like button and hit subscribe if you want to see more chart updates every single day that I mentioned throughout the week. And if you are a day trader or you guys are looking for intraday perspective breakouts, we mentioned pre-market news before market open. Every single day we had a $6 price target that came out for AVDL, a major breakout from pre-market at $1.30, jumping up to $1.66 in pre-market. And then we were looking to see if we can continue on above our pre-market high at $1.66. We did break above it. We broke up all the way up to $2.67 on the day. In total, we had over 100% breakout with AVDL. So if you do want to see all these breakouts throughout the day, go to instables.com in the description below, and you will never miss a breakout alert today again. So let's jump into this one. So jumping into SIGA with you guys, I'm going to go over two things with you guys. What exactly gave us our confirmation on our continuation on Friday, and what exactly has to happen for us to continue on Monday. So looking at the 5-minute chart, as you guys can see, we did have our 20 that was crossing over our 50. We did hold our 20 over our 50, even crossing below our 20. We still did have our 20 above our 50, and as you guys can see, we did spike back over it. We did bounce off of our 20-day moving average, and we did continue on with that rally, which gave us our continuation on higher. And then we did mention higher risk at this point in time. Mentioned higher risk a little earlier. As you guys can see, we got our wick to the upside, and we did mention at about 1388 that we were losing pressure at that point, because as you guys can see on the MACD, we did have our decrease in buy pressure with our white shaded lines coming in, and we also did have our EMA lines curling down here, showing us that we were going to cool off here. And sure enough, we did cross down, and we did continue on consolidation here for the rest of the day on Friday. So our question from here is, are we going to continue on? Looking at the daily chart so we can see our key levels. And again, I did mention higher risk at 1388. I mentioned that we want to break over 15 because we could have a major double top here, which is playing out at this moment in time. We still could continue, but again, we are showing a double top here, which is again a previous high here at 1480 and then getting rejected just under 1480 on Friday. So the last thing we want to see from here is a continuation on lower, or else we could continue on lower. But what I want to see here is to see if we can get that continuation volume above 15 here. As you guys can see, again, we do have our 1480 level that we did break up to on Monday. And then we have our $15 psychological resistance that we want to break above from there. So looking to see if we can break over 15 will be very key. As you guys can see on the MACD here, again, we do have our buy pressure that we got on Friday, and then we have our buy pressure from Monday. So we want to see if we can continue on with that buy pressure to the upside to have a stronger push here. Now, we do have our EMA lines that are pointing up here, which shows us that we still could continue, which is exactly why we're going to keep them on watch. And in my opinion, we will have a lot of this indication in pre-market on Tuesday. If we do continue on above 15 into pre-market on Tuesday, then we can assume that we could have pressure to the upside if we do watch our MACD. However, if we do continue on below 14, I would be looking for a possible setup on a continuation over 15 from there. So we're going to keep cautious here, because on the larger time frames, if we do get rejected and we continue on lower, then we would be having a large double top here. So we're going to keep an eye on this news, very similar to COVID, to see if we do have any major cases that are being picked up. So far, we only have 9 cases in 7 different states. So we'll see if we do continue on with those cases. Again, not exactly expecting that to happen, but again, very nice news that we had on Friday with this bounce, as the European Union mentioned that they're going to be purchasing monkeypox vaccines. So again, a very nice break, and we will keep our levels on the watch. And of course, if we do get confirmation, I will alert this one in the Instables room. Now, again, with that said, if you do want to see major breakouts like we had here with SIGA, or major breakouts like we had from pre-market news on Friday with AVDL, again, a major breakout from 130 all the way up to 166, breaking over 166 all the way up to 267 on the day, over 100% in total on Friday. And then a major breakout with SIGA here with a 50% breakout from pre-market. Go to instables.com in the description below, and you will never miss a breakout like today again. And all of you Instables that come over every single day and support the channel, I hope you guys have a nice rest of your week. And going into tomorrow, I'm going to go over the market with you guys tomorrow, so that way we are updated for the week. And again, if you guys do like this video, it does help the channel grow, and I do appreciate it very much. And again, God bless you all, and I'll see you guys in the next video.